A Shopify POS versus Square comparison. In today's retail market, business owners must be able to handle payments swiftly and securely. While there are other online options available, Shopify POS and Square are two of the most popular, but how can you know which one is best for you? Let's examine the distinctions between these two options so you can make an informed selection. Overview of Shopify POS. Shopify POS is a POS system that works in conjunction with your existing e-commerce website. It enables business owners to take payments in store or online while also tracking client data in one location. Customers may pay with Apple Pay, credit cards, or cash, as well as redeem loyalty points while using Shopify. Customers may complete their transactions quickly and effectively without having to carry actual currency or credit cards with them. To chat with a Shopify POS expert, please click the link below. Furthermore, Shopify POS gives store owners significant insights into client purchasing habits and sales trends. Square overview. Square is a popular payment processing system that allows for both in-person and online payments. Square also accepts Apple Pay, credit cards, debit cards, cash payments, invoicing, and other payment methods. This makes it simple for businesses to take payments from customers of all types. Square also gives store owners with vital business analytics such as average ticket size and purchase frequency. Shopify POS and Square both offer sophisticated tools for store owners to manage their operations. However, there are some significant distinctions between the two systems that make one better suited for particular sorts of businesses than the other. For example, if you already have an e-commerce website, Shopify may be the ideal option because it connects effortlessly with it. Square, on the other hand, may be more appropriate if you do not have an e-commerce website and only need a quick way to handle payments. It is ultimately up to you, the business owner, to determine which option is best for your specific circumstance. However, it is a good idea to visit the link below to get your questions addressed by a Shopify technician.